Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for Learning with Vaashmi, and today we are going to do a fun activity of science, and we are going to make bath fizz. So the activity is just 5 to 10 minutes, but to dry the product it will take us 5 to 6 hours. Let's check the ingredients which we need. This is citric acid, baking soda, this is cornstarch, this is water, this is oil, it's sunflower oil, or you can take coconut oil or olive oil, and here are 2 containers to dry it. Let's start the activity. So first we are going to put this right here. And then mix it properly until there are no lines between it. Now we will put few drops of water in it. And it should be not too wet, like a slightly wet it should be. You can see the consistency. Now let's check it and take it in the palm and let's see that how. Now my mixture is ready. I'm gonna put it in a container. So first we need butter paper, otherwise it's gonna be sticky. We're gonna put in a butter. Now I'm keeping it for drying. It has done, and you need to keep it for 6 hours so it could dry properly. So guys, it has been done 6 hours, and let's see, it has been set, and let's see if it will work or not. Come on, let's go. Okay, you can see this. It's really tidy, and let's go, and we're gonna put this. As guys, this is not too fizzy, but it's sparkly, which even helps in to take bath. So it didn't work so well, but yeah, we can say a little bit it worked. So guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.